Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Today's recipe is Beetroot Rasam. Let's begin the recipe. In a cooker, I'm going to pour in water and chopped beetroot. I'll pressure cook this till soft, 2 to 3 whistles. Allow it to cool and make this into puree. In goes a little bit of ghee, mustard, Jeera, then goes the finely chopped garlic, finely chopped green chilli, some curry leaves, in goes the beetroot juice. You can adjust the consistency and add water. Tamarind extract, rasam powder, just a little, salt to taste, and some jaggery to taste. If you are having it like a soup, then keep it more watery, and if it is with rice, you can keep it little thicker. When it starts boiling, tear in coriander leaf, or you can add finely chopped coriander leaves. Beetroot rasam is ready. You can turn off and this is ready to serve. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have not done still, do it right.